Well, I came out this morning and look at this. And here's the parts. Apparently, I'm going to have to replace this sprinkler here. As you can see, I mean, I don't think I can put this back in there. Maybe I can, I don't know. But I think it's just gonna pop out again, right? Yeah, that's just not gonna work. All right, so that's gonna need replacing. All right, that's our project today. All right, so anyway, this is my Rainbird, and it's like 1,000,000 years old. You know, this is the old technology, and guess what? It works, you know what I mean? So why should I fix it, right? So I gotta check I'm gonna check each zone. And so right now I have it on auto, right? So to check the zones, all I gotta do is really press this manual button here, and you're gonna see it's gonna go to zone 1. So I'm gonna check out this one sprinkler head that's broken and see what happens. I'm gonna just click it once, and then we're gonna go out and look at it, okay? Let's go check it out. All right, now you're gonna notice that we do have a situation here. Yeah, I think that this one right here may be broken. What do you guys think? So I've got to fix that. That's not good. Check it out. Oh yeah. All right, so we got to do that. We'll stop that, and everything else looks pretty good. But that one, as you can see, the head popped off. Okay. All right, we got our work cut out for us. First thing I'm going to do is dig her out a little bit so that we can... It's starting to get windy out here, man. I might have to go kite surfing. I'll do this one sprinkler here, and then I got to do some in the back too. All right, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the sprinkler and how to set it. You can see this right here is one of those concrete donut, and I may have to go wider because I got to get all the way around this thing. You see that? That's it right there. Oh, there we go. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. You follows me? Okay, now, I don't want to get my hands too dirty. I'm going to wear these gloves. We got from the hospital when we went there. All right, we're ready to go. See, it's moving. You follow me? Now the question is, in the center, am I gonna have to turn this? Let's go like this. Get all this shit out of here. You follows me? There it is. Now I should be able to pull this out without like this. I should be able to slide it right off of there, but it doesn't want to. There we go. All right, so I'm going to show you right down in the center here. You can see all the way down in there. I took all the guts out, right? And we can get in there, but it looks like I could just go ahead and turn this counterclockwise to loosen it and pull it out without getting any dirt in that area down there. You follow me? I think we're good. Okay, now I think I can pull this whole thing right out. Just like that. All right. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. Right now, you don't want to get too much dirt in there. So you got to be really careful. You know what I mean? So now what I need to do is I need to take this out of here, and then we're going to screw it right down in there. The K2 Pro, okay? And this is supposed to be the best, you know, one of these things. So we just got to get it out of its packaging. And I think let's just go ahead and let you read it. This gives you all the information. All right. And I've got another one in the back. I can always use that to show you guys. But basically, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to screw this in into that pipe that's down there. So let me show you. I just got to get it down in there and screw it right on that pipe. So I'm just going to try to slide it in that same hole, and then now I'm just going to go clockwise, and hopefully I'm getting on there. I'll know when it tightens. Now if I pull it up, I can tell if I'm on, and apparently I'm not. So I got to get it over. There we go. Maybe now. Yeah, there we go. Now we're cooking with grease. And you want to get it on tight. Okay, I think we're looking good. So now I want to set it. I'm not using this thing. I'm just going to put some rocks in here on this one side, just to push it up. You follow me? I'm going to go like this, and then I'm just going to set it like that. All right, so now I just want to make sure it's up straight, and then I can just go ahead and crap these rocks in, just like that. Now we're good. All right, now we've got it in there. Now we have to set it. And the way you do it is you got to get the little key that goes in here, and you've got to lift this up. There's a riser, there's a turret. This gives you the angle here, and we're probably going to do a 90-degree angle. So let's go ahead and get this stuff off. Get these off. All right. So this is going to be fun. Okay, so got my knee pads here so I don't kill my knees. So we're going to get down here, all right? And what I'm going to do is I got to get the key in here, just like that. Smush it down in. I'm going to twist it a little bit to the side, if it lets me. Well, maybe not. Maybe I'll just pull it up. So I'm lifting the riser up. So now I'm going to grab it underneath, okay? And I got to get my key out. I'm going to set the key there. So if you look, you'll see at the top of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just turn the top. See, there's a little crease right here. Goes around, and this spins separately from this bottom. So I go right click, left click. Now this is the direction of my left stop position, and I want it to stop straight down there. So I'm going to twist it like that, okay? And so now I think I can just let this down easy, and I can put my finger on here and hold it, and I can twist this to that 90. It's going to let me. There we go. So you got to put your finger on it and hold it, otherwise the whole top thing moves. Okay, so now this is the distance, and I can change the distance right here. But now it'll squirt this way, and it'll stop right here. I might give it a little bit more so that it hits the, yeah. There. Okay, so I think that's good. So I think we're going to be good with that. All right, make sure this is on there tight. Whoops. God damn it. There we go. All right, so we're good. So this should squirt right down there. If you look at this, my left side is going to be straight this way, and then my right side is going to go right that way. So that's how it should work. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on and see how we did. If this works good for us. All right, so cross your fingers, we did a good job. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the zone, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to just click it once, and then we're going to go out and look at it, okay? All right, here's our sprinkler. All right, let's see if we did it right. Should come right around, right about there. Yep, that's good. Now she should go all the way down here. We'll see if we get what we want with that. Cross your fingers. I think we did it right. See, we're getting the bush. A little bit farther. Keep going. Keep going. Bam, look at that, perfect. I think that's good. I think we did a good job on that. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on sprinklers like this right here. Peace out.